In this lecture, we will see how we can configure React, TypeScript, Vite with Jest. We want to test our app with Jest and we want to configure it accordingly. The starting point is a fresh React, TypeScript, Vite project. And here on the screen, we have the steps that we need to take in order to add Jest testing to our project. You can see on the screen, first of all, we need to install some dependencies, then we have to set up files. We will need a testing script, and then in the end, we will write an initial test to see if the configuration is valid or not. Let's get started, and let me tell you, this is not a easy or pretty process because Jest doesn't work really or very well with the newest versions of Vite and especially TypeScript, since by default it doesn't support modules. But you will see how we can get around all these problems. First of all, we have to install the dependencies. So again, I will call inside the terminal npm install as a development dependency. First of all, we need Jest. Then we need ts-jest, since we are using TypeScript. Then we need add types/jest. We want to have some strong types. And then let's also install the testing library. So I will install add testing library/react, because of course we need React. We also need add testing library, Jest DOM. We need the Jest environment JS DOM. We need TS node, and hopefully these are all the dependencies we need. Hopefully. Let me install this. Careful for typos inside these names of the dependencies. Alright, the dependencies are installed. Let me clear this, and it's now the time to write our configuration files. First of all, we need a file that will be run every time we will run our code. I will create a new folder called test. And in this test, I will create a new file. I will call this jest.setup.ts. And this jest.setup.ts will contain one simple line. Before each test, we will want to add this import at testing library jest DOM. Now we also need another file. I will put it inside another folder called mocks. And inside this folder, I will create a new file. I will call this file mock.js. This time we want to instruct Jest when it will receive CSS files or PNGs or files that are not exactly code to use this exact code. You know, a mock instead of CSS or something else related to assets, for example. We have the two auxiliary configuration files. Now is the moment in which we will create a Jest configuration file, and this is jest.config.ts. This is our Jest configuration. First of all, since we are using TypeScript, we can have a strong type. We need to import this type from Jest. Now we need to create a configuration constant of type thisconfig. And here is the point where we will put our configuration. Very important, at the end, make sure that you make an export default our config. Otherwise, Jest won't be able to read our configuration. And first of all, let's say that this is not necessary, but I like to be explicit about the root directory, which will be our root directory. Then we want to specify a test environment. This test environment is JS DOM. We also need this setup files after environment, and this is the reason I have created this test folder and this jest setup test.ts. This is our file that we will use as setup file after environment. We need to also inspect Jest to transform our TS files using tsjest. So, and when it will find TypeScript or TSX files, it will use this tsjest library to transform them. I will add a module name mapper, and this module name mapper will again, when it will encounter GIFs or SVGs or so on, it will use this file mock.js that we configured. And let's see if this is working. This is our configuration. We are not done because at this state Jest will still not work because of TypeScript. And this is the reason inside the tsconfig.json, the main one. This one right here, I will add some compiler options. These ones right here, first of all, we will use React JSX and the other compiler options. And with this, everything should be alright, hopefully. Let me close all this, and now let me create two simple files. Let me create a new first component, a simple component, which will render a simple message. This first.tsx will simply say hello to the screen, and let me write also a test. This is the test. We will talk later about this describe and it and so on, but basically we try to render our first component and we make a simple check. Let me extend this test to be more powerful. I've extended the test to also use a Jest matcher, and as you can see, TypeScript is giving us some error. It doesn't recognize this to be in the document matcher. It says that it doesn't exist on this Jest matchers type. We can fix this very easy if we go to the tsconfig.json, and here we can add some types. I will add these types for the testing library. Let me save this, and this error should go away. Yes, and the error is still not didn't went away, because we need to also configure our tsconfig app.json to take into account our test configuration. This is the reason inside this tsconfig.app.json I will also add the test folder, since our jest setup.ts is inside the test folder. And now, yes, our error is gone. And let's now test our configuration to see if everything works or not. I will call, or I should add a script right now for testing. Inside the scripts entry, we can add a test entry, and this test entry can be Jest. And what this entry will do, it will go and search to the scripts of this project and then later to the scripts installed inside this computer. So if we go to the node modules, we have a bin entry, and in this bin entry at some point we have a Jest. This is a executable, and npm will simply execute it if we call npm test. Let's see if this is working. Npm test. Alright, and it worked. I'm having some deprecation, but yeah, that's what you get when you run with when you use Jest. But the thing is that we get a green screen from the first try. You saw in this video and inside this lecture how you can configure Jest with Vite, React and TypeScript.